Good morning, sir. My name is Rosalinda Marie Ballesteros, and I'm going to discuss the Mendelian and non-Mendelian inheritance. Mendelian inheritance. Once upon a time, in an Australian monastery, there lived a monk named Mendel. Gregor Mendel monks had a lot of time on their hands, and Mendel spent his time crossing pea plants. And he did this over and over and over again. He noticed some patterns to the inheritance of traits, some of the set of pea plants to the next. Mendel's law. The law of dominance, the law of segregation, the law of independent assortment. First, the law of dominance. In a cross of parents that are pure for constructing traits, only one form of trait will appear in the next generation. Offspring that are hybrid for a trait will have only the dominant trait in the phenotype. Parent pea plants and F1 pea plants. In parent pea plants, tall system times short system. In F1 pea plants, all tall systems. Yellow seeds times green. In F1 pea plant seeds, all yellow seeds. Green pea pods times yellow pea pods. In F1 pea plants, all green pea pods. Round seeds times wrinkled seeds. In F1 pea plants, all around seeds. Eggshell flowers and terminal flowers. In F1 pea plants, all eggshell flowers. Mendel's law. The law of segregation. The law of segregation, only one of the two genes copies present in an organism is distributed of each gamete, egg or sperm that it makes, and the allocation of the gene copies is random. When an egg and the sperm join in fertilization, they form a new organism whose genotype consists of the alleles contained in the gametes. Next, law of independent and assortment. State that the alleles of two or more different genes get assorted into gametes independently of one another. In other words, the allele of gamete received for one gene does not influence the allele received for another gene. Non-Mendelian inheritance is any pattern of inheritance in which traits do not segregate in accordance with Mendel's law. These laws describe the inheritance of traits linked to single genes or chromosomes in the nucleus. In Mendelian inheritance, each parent contributes one of two possible alleles for a trait. Non-Mendelian inheritance is a general term that refers to any pattern of inheritance in which do not segregate in accordance with Mendel's law. This law describes the inheritance of traits linked to single genes on chromosomes in the nucleus. Codominance. Codominance is believed to be a violation of the law of dominance. Example, speckled flower. 2. Incomplete dominance. Sometimes in a heterozygote dominant allele does not completely match the phenotypic expression of the recessive allele, and there occurs an intermediate phenotype in the heterozygote. This is called incomplete dominance. 3. Polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance occurs when one characteristic is controlled by two or more genes. Example, skin color in a man. Multiple alleles. Mendel studied just two alleles of his P genes, but real population often have multiple alleles. Or a given gene, an example is ABO blood type in human. Next, pleiotropy. The production by a single gene of two or more apparently unrelated effects. 6. Gene linkage is the tendency of DNA sequences that are close together on the chromosomes to be inherited together during the meiosis phase of sexual reproduction. And that's all. Thank you for watching.